Hello students, welcome back. Students, today we are going to learn number work chapters problem set 3. Okay, in this practice set or problem set we are going to learn the 6-digit number. 6-digit number means to the lakh place. Okay, after that there is a problem set 4. Problem set, practice set. In 6th standard you have the name practice set. Okay, so problem set here again 7-digit number. 7-digit means 10 lakh place. Okay, let's see the problem set number 3. First question is read the numbers and write them in words. Here the numbers are given, total 10 examples are there. So out of 10 only few examples I will explain, remaining you have to solve for homework. Okay, so here the first we will take. Okay, so 7,65,234. Okay, let's see now. First I will write here the unit place, or you can say ones place, unit place, 10 place, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay, so we put the numbers here. First this 4 to the unit place, 10 place 3, 100 place 2, 1000 place this 5, 10,000 place 6 and lakh place 7. Okay students, see what you have to do. If you are not sure to directly write this or read this, so first make the column unit place 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh roughly. Write the numbers below that properly. Okay, and then try to write in words. Okay, so now here lakh place 7. Okay, so now here see the commas are given after 7, then 65 and then here. So this we have to write together, this we have to write together, and this is separately. So we will begin first. This is 7. SEVEN 7. 7, where is 7 located? At the lakh place. So 7 lakh. This 65, see after comma, here also you have to do the comma, don't forget. So 65. 65 is means this 2, this is 10,000. So together you have to read and write 65, that is in 1000 place, so 1000. Again after this there is comma, and then this you have to write togetherly 234. 234. Okay, just write here and see 7,65,234. This way you have to write remaining. Just I will revise students. See here 7,65,234. Just now we see when you are writing this. So first write the problem set number, the questions. First you write the number here like this one. This is the first example, and below that you have to write this. Then leave one line and continue with the next example. Now second one. Here see ones place 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So lakh place there is a 4. So 4 lakh. 70,000, 73,000 we have to read togetherly. So 73,225. Okay, now here just we will see remaining example students. I hope you can write this all. Now this one, just we will see the last one, 10th example, 4, 03, 005. So why I choose this? Here some zeros are there. Maybe that you are very smart students. Maybe if you suffering some confusion here, just I will try that. So look here, unit place 10 place 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So lakh, 4 lakh, 03,000? No. So 3,000. 10,000 plus 0 is there, no need to read that. So 3,000. And 100 plus 0, 10 plus also 0, and here 5. So you will read like this: 4 lakh, 03,000, 000, 010, 5. No, this is wrong. This, how you have to read this: 4 lakh, 3,000, 4 lakh, 3,000, and you need plus 5. 4 lakh, 3,005. Okay, this 0 no need to read and write that. Okay, student. Now remaining here also just 8th example. Now see, ones place or unit place, 10 place, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Lakh, 9 lakh, 1000 place there are 2 eggs, 2 andas or 2 zeros, so no need to read that. 9 lakh, 0,000 means no need. 9 lakh, 999. Write the spellings properly. When you are writing these spellings, take care, write the spellings properly. Okay, so I hope you understand this. Remaining all examples you have to solve for homework. Now we will move to the second example here. Read the numbers and write them in figures. Okay, this is a little bit simple. Okay, now see here, exactly opposite to the first question. Here in words the numbers are given and you have to write in numbers. So read the numbers and write in the figures. Figures means in the form of numbers. Here in total I think 6 examples are there. I write only 2 for your explanation. So first one, 1,35,855. So look here, just as I told you, lakh, just to make the columns, lakh, 10,000, 1,000, then 100, tens and unit. Okay, so 1,35,000. Lakh plus 1 is there, so 1 lakh, 1,000, 35,000 and 855. 855. See students, 1 lakh, lakh plus 1, then 35,000. 10,000, 1,000 we have to read together, so 35,000, 800, 8 is at the 100 place and 55 here. So this way you have to write. This is simple. Now see the dimple. Oh no, dimple no. Next one, 6 example, remaining examples you have to solve for homework. Remaining means all examples. Here also in the first question 1 to 10 and in second also 1 to 6. All you have to write for homework. Okay. Just now one instruction I have to give you students. Now onward there is only one video in a week, and remaining days of the week you have to do the homework, complete the notebook properly. Okay, because I know from some parents there are many problems regarding this online. So maybe some fathers, there are lots of problems. The fathers are going to work, they are coming back at evening, then you get the mobiles. So for that purpose only one video in a week. Okay, and remaining days you have to do the homework that is mentioned in the video. So keep this in mind. Now 8 lakh. Okay, so here 8 lakh, nothing is given. Okay, so again same, lakh plus which number is there? This 8. Okay, so 8 will write here, and here nothing but you know there is always 0 when nothing. So remaining you have to give the zeros. 2 zeros to the 10,000 place, then 0, 0, 0. This is 8 lakh. Okay, this way you have to write. I hope you understand this. Now we'll move to the third question. Now in the third question, make 5 6-digit numbers. Means you have to make different 5 6-digit numbers. 6-digit number means to the lakh place, each time using any of the digits 0 to 9 only once. Means when you are preparing any 5 numbers. For example, 5 means how? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 6-digit numbers you have to prepare. We have to take the help of 0 to 9. But only once. Don't repeat the digit again. For example, 9, don't repeat again. For example, 2, don't repeat again. So 0 to 9, this you have to take, and with the help of 0 to 9, you have to make 5 6-digit numbers. Let's see the first one. Any 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So 2,34,567. Here you have to use your brain, your super brain. I know you are very talented students because you are my students, that's why. So next you choose any number, for example 9, 0, 2, 5, 1, 3. So 9,02,513. Okay. This way students you have to prepare remaining numbers. I hope you understand this. Okay. Now students, we will move to the next problem set, that is problem set number 4. Okay. 1, 2, 4. Now here, as I told you in the beginning, for this problem set number 3, lakh place. Here 10 lakh. Now see, here we are dealing with the lakh place, here 10 lakh. Now if you observe carefully in the given examples, unit place 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6-digit number lakh, 10-digit number 7 lakh. Same type of examples are there. Okay. Now, first one is read the numbers and write them in word. Same. Okay. So first example is here. I'll choose this one, 12th. Okay. So again, unit place, 10 place, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. TL means 10 lakh. Okay. So 99, then again 99, and again 999. So here comma means 99 lakh, 99,999. Okay. This you have to write in words. How you have to write? 99 lakh 99,999. Okay. Then here 6th example. See, unit place, 10 place, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Nothing is there, only 50 lakh is there. So at the 10 lakh place there is only 50. So this is 50 lakh. F-I-F-T-Y, 50, L-A-K lakh. Okay. This way you have to write in words. This fourth one example is 21 lakh 09 means 9,900. Okay. Here also 12 examples are there. All first to 12 examples you have to solve for homework. Okay. In words. Here also I explained same question is there. Now this is little bit different question. We will see this. Given below are the deposits made in the women's cooperative credit societies of some districts. Read those figures. Okay. Now students, here the deposit means when we keep our amount in a bank or in a post office in any account, so that the amount we kept there, that is called deposits. Here is women's cooperative credit society, means a type of small bank run by women's group. Okay. So according to there, they deposits some money, some amount by district wise. So here the names of districts and the amount is given. So what we have to do with this? Read those figures. Okay. So how you have to write this? For example, now Pune. Pune, and the amount we have to write. This is the symbol of rupees, students. Nowadays, before that we are writing R and S like this, RS. Now our Indian government approve this symbol of rupees. So you also write this symbol. Okay. So rupees 94,29,408. So how you have to read this? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I told you 7-digit number means 10 lakh. So 94 lakh 29,400 and loudly 408. Okay. So you have to write these numbers in words. Then take another district, Nashik. This is Pune. This is Nashik. Nashik amount is rupees 61 lakh 7,187. So this amount also you have to write 61 lakh 7,187. So this also you have to write in words. So like this way, then you have to write Nagpur, Ahmednagar, Aurangabad, Yavatmal, Sindhudurg. Okay, this way you have to solve this question. I hope students you understand all this. Now in the next video we are going to learn the next practice set. Till there students, take care. Bye bye.